Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the JVM architecture. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. When we compile the Java code, then this program will uh, compile and there is made the bytecode, and this bytecode will um goes to the class loader subsystem, and in class loader subsystem there is check the syntax and overall the required files are there or not, there is a main or not, and after that checking the code will send to the method area. In method area there is the uh, main file, static variables, all the source code of the program uh, is on the method area. After that, firstly the static variables will go to the Java stack, and after that there will execute a main file to the Java stack, and subsequently the instantaneous, non-instantaneous and objects will um, assign. And after that there is the PC register. This PC register is used for to check the line by line code of the in the Java stack, and there is the execution engine. This execution engine is used uh, for making the code execution performance greater. There are the garbage collector. Garbage collector is used for to removing the unwanted or unlinked part on the heap section. This is useful to removing the or removing the unwanted part on the heap section, and also increase the memory efficiency of our system. Interpreter will interpret the code, and there is a JIT which is used for to increase the performance of the system. JIT stands for just in time. This improves the performance of a Java application at runtime. JIT compiler is responsible for dynamically compiling the Java bytecode into the machine code that can be directly executed by underlying the hardware. This is best for a high or long time running applications such as servers. Use of JIT compiler have an impact on performance. Firstly, the name of the Java was Oak language. It was found by the James Gosling in 1995. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will further upload the Java's video. Thank you.